Hello everyone, I'm back again with another fantastic video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to convert your photo into cartoon photo, just like this photo. So if you want to know how to convert your photo into cartoon photo, then you have to watch this video till the end. So now let's begin. First of all guys, we have to open a browser. Now next here we have to search tuneme.com. Now guys, next we have to click on these three dots. Now here next we have to click on desktop site. Now next we have to click on this plus icon. Now we have to choose our photo. Next, after choosing a photo, here you can see this interface. And here you can see there are many cartoon photos that you can use, like this one and this one, but I'm going to download this photo. Now next we have to click on this download icon. Then guys, now if you go to gallery, then guys you can see this photo. Now your photo is converted to cartoon. So now that's it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you want to get more coding and computer related video, then guys please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and you also make sure to press the bell icon. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.